Listen to the message, children. Oh, there might fight over land, over color and creed, but the hunger of the soul is the only real need. Through the valley of shadow, through the gun and the greed, one voice crying out, planting one common seed. Sharpen the sword when the hour is late. The same moon above, the same earth below, the same blood run deep no matter where you go. So put down your division, lift up the weak and the small, for the strongest revolution is the war that don't fight at all. Love is the answer. Say it out. Love is the answer to every question now. Let's unite together as one people in truth. Love will conquer truth. Love will conquer truth, yeah. Reach us now. Heaven now. Brothers and sisters. No tribe too small. No nation too tall. Wait and pray. When the rain of hatred is falling, only the umbrella of love can save us all. So rise, rise in oneness. One love, one destiny. Love is alive. Love is alive. Yeah. Know the truth. The rich man, the poor man, the lost and the found. The silent, the shouting, the chain and the crown. When the final sun sets on this world we've been given, ooh, holy love remains true and unforbidden. Love is the answer. Yes, it is. Love is the answer. Through the fire, through the flood, one soul. Love will conquer truth.